Click Settings, bottom right. Go to the Audio tab. Desktop audio, set this to the headset or main listening device you use. MIC to auxiliary audio, select your microphone. 3. Set up output for multiple tracks. Still in Settings, open the Output tab. At the top, change output mode to Advanced. Streaming section. Set audio track to 1. Enable Twitch VOD track if you stream, and set it to 2. Recording section. Under Recording Format, choose a format that supports multiple tracks, MKV or MOV. In Audio track, tick every track you plan to record. Tracks 1 and 2 are used for stream and VOD, so most people leave those unchecked for pure recording. Example, tick 3, 4, 5, 6. Click Apply, then OK. 4. Add individual application audio sources. You'll now create a separate source for each program, a Discord, game, music, etc. In your desired scene, click the plus under Sources and choose Application Audio Capture. Give it a descriptive name, e.g., Discord Audio, and click OK. In the window drop-down, pick the program you want to capture. For window match priority, select Match Title, otherwise find window of same executable. Click OK. Repeat these steps for every application you need, music player, browser, specific games, etc. 5. Organize sources, optional but recommended. In the audio mixer, click your first application source. Hold Shift and click your last source to select a range, or hold Ctrl, Windows, Command, Mac to pick them individually. Right-click and choose Group Selected Items. Name the group something like Audio Sources. 6. Assign tracks in Advanced Audio Properties. In the audio mixer, click the 3 dots next to any source and select Advanced Audio Properties. You'll see a grid of sources and track checkboxes. Remove desktop audio from all tracks since you're capturing each application separately. Now assign tracks. Track 1, Streaming Track, enable every sound you want your live stream to hear, usually everything except extra background music. Track 2, VOD Track, choose what save to Twitch VODs. Many creators leave music unchecked here to avoid copyright. Track 3, Microphone, tick only your MIC source. Track 4, Discord Voice Chat, tick only your Discord source. Track 5, Gameplay, tick only the game audio source. Track 6, Music Other, tick only music or secondary sounds. Tip, never place two conflicting sources on the same track. Click Close when finished. 7. Adjust levels and test. Use the volume sliders in the mixer to balance each source. Make a short test recording, then play it back in a video editor to confirm each track is separate. You now have fully separated audio tracks in OBS. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.